Okay, yes, we just got done watching K-pop Demon Hunters, which apparently is like the new thing, and quite appropriate. We're on the couch doing this because if you saw the movie, you know it's all about, a lot of it's about couch. So we're on the couch. We just got done watching it. I didn't want to wait. I needed to record this, get this up online as soon as possible because apparently this is a new thing. This is a big thing. Kids love it. I'm going to have Desiree try to explain what the plot is, because that's always fun.
Yeah, thanks.
What's the plot of K-pop Demon Hunters?
It's a K-pop girl group, and they are secretly demon hunters.
Okay. You got that from the title.
Save their fans from the evil.
The demons.
From the demons. Yeah. And
okay. So it's all about K-pop. If you don't know what K-pop is, it's short for Korean pop, I believe, pop music. Yeah. It's very similar to, I'm going to say like late 90s American boy band, girl band pop music. Mm-hmm. It's very similar, but it's a little different. It has its own thing. Our daughter loves it, and she's the one actually who suggested we watch this movie. And I was like, what why? But I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I'll tell you right now. I won't bury the lead anymore. I absolutely love this movie. I like the animation style, which was a cross between like anime and Pixar style, basically. It was beautiful. As far as like from a technical standpoint, I think the movie was beautiful. Mm-hmm. It was paced very well. The songs weren't that annoying, even the slow, sappy ones. Because I don't like musicals. As a musician, I don't like musicals. It's weird, but I don't. They kind of annoy me, when I'm trying to watch a movie. But this one didn't. I like the songs.
Yeah.
Good stuff. I also liked the anime influence. I also liked... It seemed like... And I don't know much about Korean mythology, but I have a feeling there was a lot of kind of Korean mythology kind of loaded into that and kind of like modernized, I guess. So yeah, basically what she said, the plot is they're a girl band, like a girl singing group, but they also kill demons because they were chosen to kill demons. And the demon world was taking more and more souls from the real world. Mm-hmm. And then, of course, there's a nice love interest with this boy band who are actually demons. They come to our world to take the souls and beat out in this contest the girl band.
Right.
And they're called Huntrix, the girl band.
Yes.
And the boy band's it's like Soldier Boy, but it's not Soja Boys, Soja Boys, something like that. And they're very, from what I know about K-pop, and K-pop boy bands, these guys look the part.
They're based off of
other boy
all
bands.
Different,
Other
it's kind of like if you took all the
like if you took K-pop. BTS and Stray Kids, the only two I know, and like they're based off of them, I think, aren't they? Like
they're based off a whole bunch of
just kind of like there's a certain look to like the Backstreet Boys and NSYNC and 98 Degrees.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
There's always a look, and there's like a certain there's a cute guy, there's the badass guy, there's the old guy and the talented guy, and that's what they kind of look like.
Are you talking about Ostrich Dad?
I don't know which one I am in that one.
All of them.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you. We're not a K-pop band, though. That's the band I'm in. We're called Ostrich Dad, just in case you're wondering. So what else can you say about this movie?
I like the style of it because it didn't have the Disney influence.
It did not, which was refreshing. It was a really good movie. And you know what? And the strengths were the meaning behind it, I'll say. Like, I saw, okay, be who you are. Mm-hmm. That was like the through line, because the one girl has a secret. And she was ashamed of it, and she was afraid to tell her friends. And it was also about teamwork and being friends with people. And, family is whoever you make it. that was a nice message too. That you should get along with your friends. You should enjoy the differences between your friends.
Right.
And that should be, the main thing about friendship is, like we're all different, and that's okay.
Yeah.
And that and the whole thing about being in a band or any kind of group, you have to embrace the differences.
Mm-hmm.
You have to embrace the idiosyncrasies, we'll say, of some people.
You have to trust them.
And you have to trust them, yeah. And
you have to be a person they can trust. That's just how it works.
So in this movie, there was the only violence in this movie was killing demons, which I
Right.
guess is okay because they're not like human, they're demons. Right. But there was a positive message through it all,
Mm-hmm.
and there was a nice love story, which is
Yes.
nice, yeah.
Yes. And I did get a little bit of that feel of like how people sell their souls for fame and fortune.
Yeah.
That's actually a big part of it, but it's not overly like in your face.
Mm-hmm.
Like you get it, but it's just blended in with the rest of the story. So.
Yeah, there was a little bit about that too, about the pressures of living up to people's expectations, and like how it can really get to you. This great movie. I'll say great movie for all ages. It really was, and thank you, Kendra, for
I know
suggesting it.
It was good, and I know she was giggling in her room listening to us laugh and sing, and
and it was funny too. The humor was really really funny. There's a couple things in there that we caught as adults and as parents that were like, ooh. Because I guess animators get bored and they throw in kind of little things, not too much though.
Yeah.
And maybe we're just dirty old people.
Maybe.
But I noticed a few things. I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
But the kids won't get it, and apparently it's popular. And the songs were good. I thought the songs were good.
The songs are great, and I mean it's really well written, and
Yeah.
those songs are like real songs now. So
Well,
it's not, you know what I mean?
real
Because
songs.
those are real humans singing them.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. That's yeah. I again about the animation, I thought was great, and a lot of because sometimes animated movies, especially like the digitally or computer animated ones, that could kind of fall flat. I thought the characters were very expressive, which was great, and voice acting was top notch. It was, and Bobby, their manager, was voiced by the guy from The Hangover, the crazy guy from The Hangover.
Yeah.
I can't remember his name, but the guy. Did you die?
That guy.
Great time. So I'm gonna give it an 8.
I was gonna give it an 8. So yeah.
We're gonna So there you go, 8. I'd say watch it. It's on Netflix. K-pop Demon Hunters. Very good. All right, we're gonna go back to drinking.